in this video, we're going to be taking this image from this to this using the iPad version of Evoto. Let's get straight into it. So guys, we've got a new update for the Evoto for iPad. I'm going to go through it with you now. We've got the feature that I wanted in the last version I tried, which was the all essential crop tool. It's now been added along with some other features. So let me just cancel that and go back to the main page. So I'm happy to carry on trying this software basically and see how we get on. Okay, so straight off the bat, nothing's changed here other than, I can't remember now if we had the tether shooting in the last version. I don't think we did, but we've got the tethering option now. It can either do it wirelessly or connected by cable. Good feature. Okay, then we can import the files from files on your iPad or import from the photo section of your iPad. All basically straightforward. And then we've got the file section that I've already created here. I'm going to do an edit on this picture we've got at the moment on the screen. We've got the presets here. That's something I wouldn't ever use, so again I'm going to skip over that, but they're available if you want to do presets. It's not something I would use. Let me just have a look. Headshots. Again, it's not something I would use, so let me just reset that. I'm going to go straight into the crop tool. That is a feature that I was waiting for. It's now been added. Just makes it so much easier, and it makes it a viable tool now for the iPad. So I'm going to go with this straight standard 4:3 look and then adjust it to how we want. We can also adjust the angle of the picture down here if we want to, and then we'll click OK. Now there we go, the image is cropped from the original, which had, let me just show you, the we had some of the background on show anyway, which was very annoying. Let's go straight into the main features, which will be the color adjustments. Now something they do need to add, which is probably on the menu, which should have been added straight away, but anyway, you know, we're picking hairs at things, is a picker tool for the color temperature. We've got to eyeball it at the moment, which isn't too bad, but if we had a picker tool, we could just go on to some part of the picture, as you would do. Maybe she has a color checker in her hand or a white card, grey card, whatever. Click on that and then you get your color balance sorted straight away. Nice and simple. That needs to be added in my opinion. Okay, so we're going to bring the shadows up as well. Now they're probably going to bring it out in the future, but the background fixing and the adding backgrounds, all those sort of features, they need to add into this software as well at some point. But for now, you know, the basic editing suite it's good to go, you know, it really is. So we'll just get the background just like that. Saturation, we're just going to bring that up a little bit as well. So far, you know, I'm happy. So far so good. Now the next tool we're going to have a look at is, it's going to work perfectly again, is the blemish removal. Now for some reason as well, this software isn't showing my my raw files in the perfect quality. Now JPEGs, you know, we can get a nice zoom in and it's nice and clear, but for some reason on these 18 megabyte files, it's not resolving the picture as good as it should do. Might be something they can fix in the future. Let's see. Okay, we can still see what we're doing, so it's not a big issue for now. Freckle and acne removal, again, I don't have to say anything, it's going to do it perfectly. I think we've got a few marks on the body that we could do with just fixing here. So we will go to the body blemish, bring that one up as well. Done nicely. Okay, you know, it's the software, all these sort of things that they've got in, they're going to work as well as on the desktop, so I don't really need to talk about too much of that as I'm going through these. Again, a feature that they've put in, again, that they don't need to, is the facial expressions one. It's so unrealistic what they're doing. Anyway, what can I say? Skin retouching, again, if we wanted to do some of those, we've got the same features near enough, the same as on the desktop version. Again, super brilliantly done. Well done, Evoto. Rosy complexion, I just don't know about this one as well. Why do they add this one? Anyway, I don't understand some things, but the software is still good. Facial reshape, we've got all that in there as well. If we wanted to just make those eyebrows a little bit thicker, we can do that. Tilt the eyes, we just need to get those eyes. We click on this one, we can do individual eyes. We're just going to bring that one up to same size. Again, the features you want, they're all in there. Eyeball size, if you wanted to adjust them, everything's there. We've also got the body reshaping tools. They don't work perfect on this software or on the desktop version, but you know, what can we do? I don't know why anyone would use the AI reshaping. It just doesn't do a good job. But again, all the features, they're going to work perfectly, just the same as the desktop one does. Now we do need to have the close de-wrinkler added to this. That's just one of their amazing features that needs to be added in the future. But for now, we're all good. Let's go into the hair. We've got quite a bit of a distraction here. We're going to get rid of that. Perfectly done. Higher cranial top if needed. Hairline down if needed. Remove stray hairs. It's just tidied that up a little bit. How's that? This software, you know yourself, if you've been using it on your desktop, it is really good. The only thing that they do need to fix in the future, Evoto, is the pricing structure. I'm always going to moan about that. Right, okay, so we'll head into the eyes. Oh no, sorry, the eye section. We're just going to brighten the eyes up just a little bit as well. And then the makeup section is the one I want to jump into, where we can go for the makeup suite. We're in there. Oh, we've got to drag it along. We want to go to eyelashes. I just want to add some eyelashes again. This feature always works amazingly well. I'm going to go with those ones. Maybe, yeah, maybe those ones. We've got a nice palette of eyelashes there that we could use. Let's try those. I like those ones better. And then we've got the contacts. I'm just going to add the contact, the brown, just to brighten those eyes up just a little bit. Face decorations are in there. It's all good, Evoto. You're doing well. You definitely are. A little bit of blush. And the last one we will have a play with is contour. Let me just try that one. The contour ones, there can be a little bit of trial and error. I would say that one. And I'm going to be done. You know, it's just a quick edit. I'm happy with the results. I'm going to export the image and then we'll show you at the end the before and after. But yeah, well done, Evoto. iPad version is now coming along nicely. Now they've got the crop tool in. I will have a play with some more of these images we've got to edit on the screen now. But for now, I'm going to leave it there for this video. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe. If you want to see me try something in more detail of this iPad version, just let me know in the comments and I will do that for you. See you in the next one.